is Christina Govinda with DomesticFelicity.com, and today we're going to talk about how to make a no-sew pouch sling for an infant. For this project, you'll need a length of fabric, preferably already hemmed, like a sheet or a cotton curtain, and then a set of rings. You can buy these aluminum rings online for really cheap. If you're using a sheet, it's best